Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with PEPE number 1, followed by NEAR, OKB, Mental, ONDO, CRO, Ethereum Classic, ICB, and then we're ending with AAVE number 40. Let's get straight into it. PEPE against USD. So for PEPE, I think PEPE is going to drop lower. I think we're going to build a bearish continuation chart pattern as we head lower. So to me, I think PEPE is going to take out these classes of sales eventually. We could still just drop from here. I mean, of course, everything is dependent on BTC. If BTC continues dropping, very likely PEPE is going to drop as well. NEAR against BTC is, yeah, it's not looking good. Head and shoulders, see? And we just keep dropping lower. New all-time low, so NEAR is not looking too good. My guess is NEAR will clear all these classes of sales, dropping to under $1.30. OKB against USD looks pretty good. Why? Because OKB continues to go sideways. Right, there was a sudden dip here, but we rallied, came back down, and it feels to me like we are going to be consolidating for another move higher for OKB. As BTC falls, I suspect that the whales of OKB will keep the price of OKB higher. So as it stands, okay, let me just do this. Where did we drop to? 0.618. See that? So again, just pull this up. Where could we drop to? Either 0.5 or 0.618. Again, it's just pretty hard to trade OKB because it looks very illiquid to me. So yeah, but anyway, the chart pattern is a potential symmetrical triangle over here, right? Previously, we had a very big squeeze here, right? You see this? This was how many days was this? 575 days blast off. Again, I suspect that another squeeze is coming on. So we're going to have to wait and see how it goes. I don't think it's going to be that big though. 175, maybe 400 days before the break. But yeah, I think OKB is going to go higher. More likely than not. MNT against USD. Here we are for Mental. We'll look at it on Gate. So for Mental, we have a target over here at 62 cents, which we acquired way back in March, 7th of March. But Mental looks good. Why? Because I think it's going to complete a squeeze, just like OKB. Right, we're going to drop a little bit lower to the bulk of the noise over here. My guess is we're probably going to hit 60 cents, right? But the target points towards 62 cents. So more downside for Mental. We hit the skinny pink line beautifully, and it acted as a resistance and pump. Now we are down for Mental. ONDO against USD. ONDO is also not looking good. To me, I think ONDO is going to form a right shoulder and potentially drop much, much lower. So to me, ONDO is in the very, very beginnings of a bearish reversal chart pattern. So this could bring us to sub 30 cents though. Right now at 80 cents. It's not looking good. ONDO is a downer. CRO is just mucking around here and there. Nothing much happening for CRO. It's just... oh my god. This is the all-time high at 96 cents. Right now, we're at 9 cents. it's 90% down. Oh my god. There were strong rallies, but we're back to square one, you see. Rally, pump, square one. I suspect we could be going lower, but yeah, again, nothing much for us to work with for Kronos. ETC against USD. Here we are for Ethereum Classic. Again, I think we are just stretching out the accumulation period. And if and when the time comes, and if and when Ethereum goes bananas, very likely ETC will be going bananas as well. However, of course, this will be the all-time high to look for. I suspect we're going to clear all of these classes of highs. All of this, everything past 100 potentially. Pump! Close to 100, yeah, not past 100. We could, but if I were to take a move, go long for Ethereum Classic, yeah, I'll be out probably by 87, I think. 87, yeah, I'll be out by 87. So, yeah, but from here to 87 is about 400%. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So, again, falling channels, breakout. Falling channels, could be a breakout as well. So, yeah. We're waiting for that falling channel to complete for the trend to start switching bullish. Could we still continue lower? Yes, you just do not know how much lower things are going to go for ETC. But if and when things start, there are always clues before things go, trend changes, right? we'll go sideways for a little bit. We'll go sideways for a little bit before we break. So we'll have to look for that sideways move, right? Every chart has its own personality. And so this is Ethereum Classic's personality. ICP against USD. ICP has been down for a long time. It continues to go lower. For ICP, we expect these classes of sells to be taken out at $3.69. So more downside still for ICP. The chart pattern just really isn't that obvious, right? You can argue that this is a support line that we've touched, and eventually we've already broken out. I suspect that there could be consolidation or more downside for ICP. AAVE. So for me, AAVE is still not looking too good. We're under the skinny pink line, right? But the trade is just not really there yet. So yeah, we've already taken out these lows. We were saying very likely we'll take out these clusters of cells. And so we are taking it out. Yeah. Will we see a bounce here? Again, not too sure. We're not too sure. So that's AAVE for you. There's also a possibility that AAVE could be completing a wave C, right? This is bullish actually. So just pull up a Fibonacci retracement, right? From the very bottom here to the very top here. And then you can see probably 0.5 or either 0.618. Either one, right? At 0.5, of course, there's a noisy area. 0.618, yeah, it's also pretty noisy over here. So, yeah, but we're under the skinny pink line. So we're gonna lean bearish for AAVE. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.